Happy birthday to you.
Hey. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So you want me to go in here?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Ba, ba, ba,
No.
ba, ba.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
Really?
Happy birthday.
I never had these type of balloons.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. The balloons everywhere. It's lit. Thanks so much. Hey, hey, I got more gifts. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Flowers. Real flowers. What kind of flowers are these? We don't know. They just nice because they're purple.
They're purple. They match.
That works. Turn the light on. Look at that balloon. That's kind of neat. Where you want me to start?
Whichever one you want to pick up first. Okay.
Nah, hold the camera.
Come on, man. Let me get some director time in here. Not director, cameraman.
Director time. Director time, huh? Okay. What is this?
There's a wireless charging mouse pad.
So I put my phone right here and put the mouse right there.
That look like your mouse, huh?
I do. And then I got, what is this? Vinyl. And all of this just goes on regular stuff.
Yep.
It doesn't go on like shirts and stuff. So I got pink, purple, blue, silver, metallic. Okay. So this is nice. I'm gonna set this down. Small bag or big
Small
bag?
bag.
Small bag.
So it's really good
What we got in here? E6000. Oh, what is this little?
Did you see the top?
Little
Look at
trencher
that.
thing.
Look
What
at
is
that. That's like little tops you can put on there to put it on with that.
Oh, need some more E6000 for creative rehearse. They need crafters like
Shameless plug.
me. That. Then I got a wireless mouse.
Because your mouse is starting to get sticky.
You can kind of see myself in the thing. Hey! And what is this?
Keep on keeping on.
A memory card?
128 gigs.
So you got to insert this little thing?
Yeah. They go in there and the big one go in your camera. Because you always fill them up but you never delete them.
Cool. Excuse my nails, y'all. This Rona's got me messed up. All right. Thanks so much. Yes.
You're welcome.
Thanks so much. Okay. Now we got the big bag.
Big bag.
Where to start? Oh, okay. So I start right here. What are these?
Bottles.
Bottles just for.
Like the cricket.
Oh, I can cricket. Y'all need a glass with your name on it. Hit me up.
They're pretty solid too. They plastic, but they're pretty.
Hit them. Hey. Okay. What is this?
A keyboard.
Oh, I needed. Yeah, I needed a new keyboard. I waste something on this keyboard. Yeah, and this like they be sticking. So.
It look like it melted the.
I know. So I can just plug this in and use this.
Yep.
Thanks so much. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay. And what else we have?
A new mat.
A new mat. Two new mats for my Cricut. That's my Cricut right there. I'm probably gonna move it to that little stand over there, but
We need to. Well, Amazon ain't running, so we
Amazon is running. You just gotta. You're gonna be all day getting your stuff.
Man, look.
Like I don't think they start shipping out stuff again until like the end of April. It is April, huh?
It is. Hey! It made it another month.
Boy, you know about that. So yeah, I got new Cricut stuff. I'm a plant mom. Thanks so much. Oh my god. I'm a plant mom. And this is the snake plant, right?
That is a snake plant. You see how it looks like a snake almost? Like a garden snake?
Is it? What the focus there it is? I'm a plant mom, guys. We're gonna call this one Benson.
Why Benson?
AKA Benny.
Why?
I'm gonna give updates.
Benny look like a snake, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna give updates on Benny.
Named Benson.
Oh, Benson. Oh, and I have an aloe plant.
Yeah, I kind of broke a little piece already.
Little piece of. It's falling off.
It's alright. It's alright.
Look. Wait, can we get it to focus first? Wait. There you go.
Aloe.
So it's an aloe plant.
Straight out the egg.
So the aloe plant is gonna be called Charlie. So we have Charlie and Benny. Okay? This is Charlie. This is Benny.
I'm about to mix this with something.
Look at that. Yeah. Show it. Ooh. And so the last thing I have, don't eat it.
You can eat aloe.
You can't eat aloe. Don't. Can you eat it?
It tastes horrible. Yeah.
You can't eat that.
Remember when we was in the dollar store, we had that aloe drink?
I don't remember that. You're the perfect you. Oh! I skipped to the
No! You gonna edit that part out?
Just the person the world needs to fill your shoes and do your job, to smile your smile and laugh your laugh and share your incredible uniqueness with everyone lucky enough to know you. So proud of yourself. So be proud of yourself, and whatever you do, be happy. You're you. Woo. Hey, and have a happy birthday. Happy 28th birthday, baby. Get you something nice.
Get you something nice.
And how many?
It's
how much?
$28. Hey.
You're so strategic. Thanks so much.
Slip that back in there.
Oh my God. I really love everything. And this is a quarantine birthday. So
Quarantine birthday.
oh my God, why this card won't stop. So this is my birthday setup. Thanks so much for everything. Guys, meet Benson and Charles. AKA Benny and Charlie.
Benny the snake and Charles the
Aloe plants.
aloe Charles.
Oh, and this right here is for later on tonight.
Oh, that's the setup. That's not really.
We're gonna be vlogging. So, yeah. You'll see what we do with it. Stay tuned.
Oh, this stuff smells bad. Right, every day, don't do nothing about it. Be careful.
Crazy, we heard Rick on the door. Get out here and take pictures of my plants. Film some content. And meet the photographer. Ladies and gentlemen. Pictures with Bud.
DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it.
Alright, so I got these little decorations to do like a little birthday photo shoot thingy. Got the balloons, this, and I got a backdrop up there. So that's what we about to try to go set up. And then I'm gonna get dressed. And then we're gonna take pictures. And then we're gonna eat lunch. Tell the people, hey.
Morning.
So yeah, afternoon. So this is what we have set up for the first little session, I guess. And so this is gonna be the backdrop of another little thing. Shout out to my sister Lacey on this blanket though. It says Mr. and Mrs. established 2019. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna put my plants right there, my aloe plant over there, my snake plant over there. And I got some artwork that I'm working on that's gonna go up there, but y'all see that in another video. So now we're about to do my cupcakes. And Chef Bud back there.
You got Chef Bud on the 2s and 3s. Instructions, we need 1 of the 4 cups. I mean, if you want to just make them.
How you preheat
the oven first off. That's what we got to do. You're right. Okay.
That's when we believe it.
Yeah,
So we're using this to make cupcakes.
We're gonna use our rolling pin, man.
Don't know. So we got this funfetti and the cupcake thingies.
So we got our sifter for the powdered sugar.
Sifter.
We get it. We're gonna put it out here. So.
Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be sure to know. You love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it.
So we even bought a cupcake stand.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Grab this, please. Thank you. All right. Woo! The big one go first.
Cupcakes. You feel me? Okay. Cupcake stand.
Boy, they.
You don't have to wait for it tonight.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dum dum dum.
Now we take the cupcakes. The cupcake stand! What happened to that cupcake?
It's so small. I don't know.
What's that? That's like a perfect. Is it good?
You got just enough for 12. Wow.
Wow.
What? If we do the corners, it's 12. Corners.
The counter.
The corners.
Nope, leave that one.
Oh, that's yours, huh?
Yeah. Is it done?
What are two in? Oh, okay.
Woo!
She's 28.
It's my
Hey,
birthday.
It's my birthday.
No, it's not. But I still look good though.
Hot come hot. Sorry. You have to slam it that hard.
Look how pretty.
Yeah.
Light it up. Light it up. You gonna sing me happy birthday? My mom already sung me happy birthday today. So it's just gonna be you. My husband singing me happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday
Get it right quick.
to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
Okay. So I guess I need to come make a wish.
Imagine a stay all night.
It was a deep wish.
Deep wish, man.
What it looks like, guys. Quarantine birthday still lit.
Turn up. When do we? What?
This little stand is cute.
Yeah, we got a little stand.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay.
Should have sprayed it.
Should have sprayed it.
It's sticking. Okay. Ready?
She don't like it, y'all. Oh, there you go.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not
You
bad.
should have put some vanilla extract in there somehow. Some nutmeg.
It's good.
I'm about to try me one.